they are. Yeah, we got 3mm chassis rails, courtesy of a company. Yeah, that's it. That's all I'm going to say about that. I'm getting sacked, actually, because I got fired for crushing a piston in a void. So on the last clips, we cleaned up both internal floors, taken off all of the old seam sealer, gouged out some of the things. So obviously, we're going to go through and wire wheel and surface prep the entire floor after we've done the welding. Well, just a bit before and after, obviously. But now we're going to drill out all of these spot welds that run along the chassis rail here. Will found a little bit of a hole here. So this section of floor here is going to have to be replaced down to, I believe, where the seat mounts is. So this is going to have to be replaced. So you've got to put a swage in there and get that lap done. So, but I mean, that's no great shake. So you might end up going all the way to the chassis rail because there's less weld cleanup. So yeah, we're going to be drilling out the spot welds now. So yeah, that's going to be fun for you to watch. So now we've drilled out all the spot welds inside of the car, we're going to look at these torque box panels to get these off. Obviously, I've scraped out a little bit around the edges where you can see the corrosion, but the panel down here is much worse. So in case of, again, drill out the spot welds, we won't be going all the way through the spot welds on this one because we're just trying to release that top panel. So we have we grind drill bits with a flat, almost flat grind on them so that they don't bite through the second panel. So yeah, I'm going to quickly pilot through the first panel, then drill out all the spot welds on this, get this panel off both sides, and then we can move on to cutting the chassis rails off of the underside of the car. This is how I grind my spot weld drills. As you can see, it's really flat grind, but also just the tip is sort of raised. It's almost like I put a concave grind on it. If you're interested in knowing how I do this, I'll do a separate video. So let it know in the comments whether you want me to show you how it's done. They're really useful and they don't cost anything in terms of spot weld drills because spot weld drills are expensive. These, I mean, you can get $1 million out of that. Guess we'll get drilling. Right, so in the last clip, we have removed the torque boxes from both sides and drilled out all the spot welds going through the floor to the chassis legs. We've now put up the passenger side chassis leg into the position where we want it. We're gonna mark out and cut out the sections that we don't need now to be able to then put that flat onto the floor and then start welding it up. So I'll mark this out, cut it out, then we've got to clean and strip the floors because we're going to be doing lots of welding. Clean and strip the floors back and get those welded in. Once those are welded in, we can then look at tacking the front sills and the front torque boxes. Yes, great success, my wife. Whoa. How you doing? You all right? How can I help? Rah. So we've cleaned, prepped and cut out all of the chassis rails where we need to be able to get to the floor, get the new panel on. So the new panel's got primer on it. This is all weld-through primer now. Cleaned out all of the internal parts of the remaining cavities, put some decent sealer primer on those as well. So next point is to put the chassis rail up into the car and get that stitched and start building up and plug welding up all of the holes along that way. Will's got a little bit of prep side on the driver's side here, so he's just going to DA that, get that prepped, get that primered, and we can start welding both sides in. But you're going to see me now put that panel up, get it squared up, and then start getting it tacked on. And then we can start moving inside once Will's finished prepping that side, and then I can just fill out all the welds on the top side. Yeah, and that'll be the chassis leg done. And then we get to move on to the sills. So that wraps up the chassis leg on the passenger side. The floor is all welded up. Obviously we need to dress all the welding, but now we're going to move on to finishing the driver's side chassis rail. We have an awful lot of panel work to do on the floor of the driver's side. So the next episode will be primarily using all of the techniques and shaping of metalwork to build that panel for the floor, welding up the panel and finalizing the chassis rails. And then the following video will be moving on to the sills.